This is me, looking gorgeous and all of that, looking snatch and all of that. Let's go see your shadis.
Banging in my chest when you put it on me. You relieve my stress. You got me so hot, taking deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You ain't a drug, but you get me so
work. Da. Work.
Morning, guys. Sifundile Ngcobolana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you find peace and comfort in my space, guys. In this vlog, siyo mbesa ubhuti wami uzama ukuhle sithole uyombesa usizinhle indaba. Hey, bekungemnandi bezingabuyi isiphithiphithi nje silana. I'm still going to go to town ngiyofuna irogwe, ngenza amazipho, ngenza ikhanda. I don't think I showed mangenza ikhanda, but tell your friends ukuthi uMaNgcobo upostile a new vlog, and please watch the ads. Do not skip the ads. Subscribe if you are new here. Welcome, my darling. I hope uzohlala nathi and enjoy lolu thando uzole mfudumalo esizwayo on this channel. Okay guys, please watch. Uhlale phansi nje relax, ungibukele urelaxile. Okay, asambe siyoshadisa. Guys, sengiserenkeni yaseLehigh embini irenki imbi irenkeni no uyayazi siye town ngizothatha i-risk again, ngizovloga ngisedrobheni. Angazi le phone masihamba namaphara futhi ngiyothini mina yiyo down le. Hayi bathi itawuni nje, itawuni ubona nje ngayo nsimthungu. Okay, nansi yokuqala ngapha nabo abanye ngapha. Awe ma, amaphara nje ayangibukela ayashuhlosisa. Hayi nathi sichuze usuku nolu wrong because itoro ziyashesha nokuvala. Mara zivulile yini? Hey, kwangcono ke ngifike esitoro bayangivumela kule store ukuthi ngithathe ivideo ngendlela engifuna ngayo. Hayi lapha 2 to 68 rand. Hey, and izinhleni. Okay. Eka bhuti lutho. Hayi mama iyasokolisa leyo nto. Yeah. Inkinga phela. Mangihlula. Hayi ngizonela futhi izosala ne.
uzosala ne.
Uyakuzwani uma uthi uzosala ne?
Yewe baba funda isiZulu adlali la segoli.
Okay, that
Salani. Thank you.
Ayina ngongena. Lendakalahlani nalo yambona.
Yeah.
Oh sithi usasela ngishoot. Kodwa ngalunga nisebenza la ekhaya. Nishutha kanjani?
Oh, ilace le.
The socks lace.
Tana makayithandi le week. Namfakazela maqoki. Ekubeni nani nawa wena. Hayi niyangenyanyisa.
Sengane.
No, phela ngize town uyazi ukuthi mawuze town awukwazi kuba ugorgeous han uze la. Ngangibuzana nabafana kabi kube nzima. Izinto ikadade noma sezila. Sekushoda mina ke manje.
Now, ladies, yes, she's.
NgiseCarlton ngizofuna imali. Angalithola nerogo into zama ihambe kahle. Oh, iline engaka eStandard Bank. Yo we. Sesibuyele ekhaya ngabashana. Sesibuyele ekhaya ngemoto esifike ngayo.
Hamba ngawufika ngayo, sibuyela ngayo.
Sibuyela ngayo kulapho esibhedlela nzima. Oh, guys, angisakhathele lapho ngathi ngohewu. Yo, ngikhathele. Yo, guys, I ended up choosing a fabric. Ukuthi bangithungele rogo. I have to go and check it out on Friday morning. Yo guys, akuhlangani ngapha inzipho zami azenziwe and anginamali yokwenza inzipho. Like my bank account, it's on 0. So I don't know how I'm going to survive this weekend. Yo, but sengisendlini and manje kumele ngiprepare ngihambe ngisiyoncedisa ubhuti wami semzini wakhe lo wembesayo, so we have to go and help out. Shwele sanibona guys, lwesini siyoshadisa sayi-home affairs sisazothi nje thewubhuta sizomlanda umakoti. Oh, okay guys, ngibiziwe kuze ngihamba ngiyoshutha ingane ziyosayina phansi zithi I do. Oh God. Okay, this is my fit. I didn't want to complicate things. That's why I went for simple look to a black. So ngafaka ipolo neck yami emnyama with a trouser elimnyama. Angenize nibone ngizobona masesengile a trouser elimnyama, and these are the shoes that I'll go for. Okay? These are the shoes. Asiphakeme kakhulu. Angiphakeme. Siyahamba ke ma nini on Tuesday I went to town. Hey guys, nibonile nani nesazobona nje ngiye edropini. Kusasa kumele ngihambe ngiyocheck ukuthi are they done with my dress now? Are they done? Umthungi uyangenzela yini iqiniso? So ngizohamba ngiyocheck kusasa ekuseni. Hopefully I will have isikhathi. This is me guys. This is me. Looking gorgeous and all of that, looking snatch and all of that. Real struggle is trying to get this right. Angazi ukuthi i-right mayinjena yini guys yini noma angazi. Kube lulanyana. No. Oh. I need help. Hey, ngizama ukubopha la ngazi ukuthi ngibophe kanjani sisi. Uthi we kumele ungibone kahle. Eh? nangumakoti wethu akasemuhle uthe ufuta sizomlahla umakoti ufuta sizomlahla umakoti. Hi guys, nangumakoti wethu akasemuhle makoti wakithi bafethu isibabuli ze walate mkhwenyana. Asingene ni late. Hayi bani. Hayi. Wegayizini sishadise emvuleni ningabona kubi. Shuthi umakoti wayidlela ebhodweni. Bashuthe lapho kodwa. Naba.
Bashithe kahle.
Ayingeke. Manje iy'ntombi zalana
Athi la uzosayina into.
Nabasibuki. Thina sinemakoti obuhle kaphela. Makoti wawudlela ebhodweni yini? Sithini isimo sakho?
Isimo sami sithi bengidlela ebhodweni.
Bona mami.
Alles gut, dass das Kind Platz ist, das im Leben.
Slow we come past, speeding up the heartbeat, banging in the chest. When you put it on me, you relieve my stress. You got me so high, taking deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. You got me so turned up. You still got a bit so high. Weed always on my mind. Now he always on my mind. Don't ya? Know you want some of this part. You ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get burned. It will roll up 100 fucking blunts. All up in my mouth now. All up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it. All up in his truck. Now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm drunk. I got dang shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give reviews to you. Slow, we X and we sipping on that juicy juice. That's just what she choose to do. Slow, we come past, speeding up the heartbeat, banging in the chest. When you put it on me, you relieve my stress. You got me so high, taking deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high.
POV.
But I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If only had a boy's tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If
Siyabonga nangumakoti wakithi. Niyabona kuhle kanjani. Our own makoti. Makoti kushuthi beyivuthela imoto. Ithola iphantsi. Ngithi kushuthi beyivuthela imoto. Okay, let us take coke, guys. I banned. Let's go again.
Sipatala kanjani abantu abayi-3 bayangena bawushuthi bese siphinde sifake i-100 yemoto ukuthi
Cela driveleni makoti wami bakithi. Mkhwenyana uzodrayiva ngithi.
noma sivele kuthi sishayisile kodwa size thina.
Okay. Guys, the advantages of being a content creator. Abanye basale ngale. Ibida ongene ngam.
We just got married.
Wow.
Nice life problems. Ngizobuya ke nje la ngibuyela mina ngedwa cabanga. Ngizophona.
Oh, bakithi. Makoti wethu sicela siphakele mama. Siphakele mama. Sifide.
Bengisho emsini.
Umnyakazi. Ay, Omnyagasi. Omnyagasi, Sumayelele. Omnyagasi. Ala. Oh, la la la. La la la.
So beautiful. This one, these are my friends. It's next year.
Our next Mrs. Somebody. Wow.
Guys, I am tired. I'm exhausted. This is the end of the day. Sasa futhi kusamele kuvuke kuqhutsheka na Saturday futhi. Ngabe uyofika sinjani?
Good Friday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Good, lo.
Good, mntasekhaya.
Sibhekane no good. Hey guys, welcome to the end of today, ne? Not the vlog because sasa kusashutha. Mr. Price. Zinhle ne? Zinhle yo. Bye.
Good morning, guys. It's another day. It's Friday. Yo, guys, I'm so exhausted and I woke up feeling sick. Block nose. As in, angazi sizofika phi nalo mzimba nje uzizwe kanje. Kodwa kumele siqhubekile. La ngicine khona izolo kumele ngiqhubeke. Okay, ngizogeza manje then ngiyahamba ngiyakumakoti. Ngiyoyenza makeup. Kusaqhubeka guys, mina kusamele ngiyokwenza inzipho ngenza inwele zami. Nginamanye ama client nabafuna ukwenza okuningi. Ningumntaba. Ay. Sizobona kuhambeni ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. Guys, sengigezile. Never mind iduku lami angazi kwenzakalani. I'm not going to umakoti manje. Change of plans. Kunezinto ekumele azenze, kunezinto ekumele zidluliswe manje kuseni. Mina ungidinga around 1 o'clock and this cut is in favor because now I have to go and do my nails, do my hair and check irogo lam. Guys, ngine stress iserogo. Check irogo lam. So basically I need to go to town right now for maintenance. Let us see you there. Ngicela ningikhulekiseni ngithole into zami seze right because niyabaza abathunga ngithi abeka abantu abasigila njengalabo bantu labo. So ngikhulekiseni bandla. Ngiyanicela ngane zakwethu. I cannot afford to drop the standard. I cannot afford not to look gorgeous. Yo. Hey. I cannot afford really because mina nginabantu angibamele. Kunabantu engibamele. Kumele ngibe gorgeous for umyeni wami. So angikwazi ukumphoqa. Kumele ngibe gorgeous. Ngiyaphoqa. Ezinye izimo ziyaphoqa. Yebo. So khulekani guys. Awuthi ngihambe ngizonibona mangibuye. Guys, I'm from town. Sengikhabo makoti waiting for my brothers ukuthi bafike. Ngiyavloga ngiyavloga uvale lapho. Ngapha imvula iyanetha, ayifuni ukustopha. I'm not okay because ngifike e-shopping. Okay, on Tuesday guys, nibonile ngahamba ngafika kwenye shop ngathungisa irogo lami. Ngashiya imali, ngishiye i-deposit of 500 rands, then bekumele ngifinde ngifake umunye 500 namhlanje. Okay, ngikhulume nabo earlier on bathi right irogo lami le ready ngifike. Mangifika bangithongele into engeyona. Firstly, leyo nto leyo ingiphathe kabi ukuthi i-design nginisendelile ku WhatsApp, then nangithungela into engasiyona, nangithungela nangento ngingazange ngize ngichoose. Okay fine, bafuna ukuyifixa leyo nto leyo yafixeka, which I was okay with it. Then there's a thing that they did here, I don't know ukuthi ngizothi yini, but nje some design bangenzele i-design completely different, and ngiyakhipela video ngithi this is what I wanted and this is what I paid for. Then those girls, they just decided to switch to their mother tongues, and that was very rude of them. I'm a Nigeria ayadelela, and I'm gonna pin their shop and whatsoever because I don't deal like that. Wena mangabe ngilethela imali, wena kumele ungenzele into right. Futhi nakhona asikho isidingo sokuthi kumele size silwe, but do not switch to your mother tongue. And ngiyibona ukuthi niyangithuka niyangidiscussa nikhuluma nangami. Ngithe mangiqeda ukuphuma usisi lo bekasele shop sifitha soba u2 wangitshela ukuthi basale bakhuluma ngame shop. So nje angikho right ngalamantombazane lawa because bahlaza. Period. But nevertheless yonke into right. Hey guys, it's early in the morning. It's Saturday. Figured it's so cool. Guys, it's 4:20 isikhathi. So umsindo kunentombazane imemeza a lot. I don't know what's happening. Hi. Yabo, ngilalela. Cause wow. Yabo, mangithi ngilale emotweni. This is what I mean. Ngilale kahle khona, but I'll always prefer my bed. Guys, okay, ngo 5. I'm requesting ngendlini so that ngizofika ngizilungisa. I still have clients to do installation and makeup, so ngifuna ukuyobalungisa, then afterwards nami ngizilungisa. Okay, bye.
Ibhale phone. Ngikusho ukuthi yakwaTemu.
Temu. Ayikho Temu shutha ngaleyo phone. Boy, sidlala. Asindlulela sambele requestan. Yeah, I see right. ugqoke iphilipani oh weshwele
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyaqeda manje. So makaqedile ngithi niyangena.
begodwa uzizwa kanjani nomakoti omuhle kanje mfethu?
Ngizizwa ngiyihotsofeti.
Hotsofeti mfana. Yo.
Hotsofeti.
Yes.
babungiba nobabumdluli lapha abangakhona ngicela basiphakamisele izandla bebona kusho ukuthi inkinga yalo mshado ukuthi ibudget yama-outfit beyiningi leyo ukuthi ibudget yama-outfit hayi cha ngathi beyikhona
Yes.
manje babesacela uyoshintsha-ke babungiba nobabumdluli ngicela niziveze so that noma ngabheda ngithi at least ngapha ngicela kuhlala abantu babasithola
Oh, sorry.
ngapha ngicela kuhlala
Awuli, papaya. Nadia. Shoda mina la mano.
and money. Cheers. The second one, city to love and commitment. City the city and more children. More children.
They're so expensive.
Oh, Sayo, Agabongwe, oh.